Well, boys, we did it. We're finally able to put wheels on after what is literally probably about 4 months plus of just sanding and priming and painting and preparation and mounting and balancing and procrastinating. I finally get front wheel grip. I can't wait to feel what it's like again because it's been that long since I've not had it. Been that long since I've not romped around corners with actual force trying to go around without feeling the tires actually slip and slide you across. Even when backing out of here and like say I wanted to back out, just go right over here, like turning my wheels this way, you can feel the car just skip a beat on it just because it's got no tread. And then rain, oh my god, it's a fucking death trap in the rain when you do. We'll see this tire, because this tire is the worst one out of the two on now. Oh, we got wires again. Yeah, I drove this thing to Kirksville, which is an hour away, and it didn't have them before, I know that. But like, yeah. I need to be looking out for that WAP, you know, that wet ass pavement, or I'm gonna fuck my shit up. But yeah, I'm gonna get these, run inside, get the tool for these special little, I don't know, lug nuts, that's what you call them. They're ones you have to like torque down by hand. I need to get my other center caps too, and I also just need to order different center caps, because fuck these, and I don't really like the chrome bits on the one. So, oh yeah, here's another thing too. See how these outside the fucking rim or whatever you want to call it? None of that bullshit. They did it. Or where's the weight? Weight's right there. So we're good. There's that one. All right, enough rambling. Let's get these on this car. That's what it fucking looks like. So I'm fucking hyped. Let's get it. All right, here's what I meant by I said I gotta put these fuckers on hand by hand. You know, you might reckon these 1320, but it's not a real 1320. But anyways, do not use air or impact wrench. So use hand torque wrench, and I got one of them. That's about it on them. They're just black, nothing. Come with this little adapter so you can use it with that bitch. Other than that, nothing really special to them. But let's see what it looks like. Alright guys, we did it. They're on. And it's out of focus. One sec. There we go. Not a whole lot of difference to you or me at the moment because I'm in this tight garage and I can't step back and show it, but there's the wheel gap. You want to see it? Yeah. It'll be solved eventually. No rush though. But we're here. I've got front grip. I don't know yet, I guess, because I haven't drove it. But they're on. Man, it's a relief to finally have these fuckers on. And now I just think, what the fuck else am I gonna do? Oh, I want to pull up a chair. When I did these back two, I mounted and balanced them myself. And with these, I painted them all and then I mounted them. Yeah, you can already see where that fucked up. It fucking destroyed the goddamn lip of it. It just needs redone right there. So it's kind of what I want to do, but if I'm gonna do it, I need to fucking hop on it and do it just ASAP, because I don't want to spend any more time with mismatched fucking wheels that don't have any grip. So guess we'll see how that goes. There is a video that either will be out before this or after this that is painting those front window strips that are right up in here. But like I said, I don't know when I'll do that and when I won't. But other than that, I think I'm done for today. I don't know if I'll shoot some rollers with Clayton. No, I'm not going to shoot rollers. I'm not. I might go take pictures, but other than that, I don't know yet. I want to thank you guys for all the support and all the messages, all the DMs, all the comments, all the views. We have been paying attention to the 5 things we I don't know if it was hate or like or love about the Magnum, but that video is up to about 1.2K views, which is awesome because we only get like 60, less than 100, but we don't do this shit for the views. We do this just to put out the content and experience it and connect with people, and hopefully someday we can inspire someone else to do their own shit and everything else that we do. I know we have inspired one person to do a cold air intake on theirs because of our video, and that feels awesome, and hopefully we can keep continuing that with the things we do. Definitely, at the least, we hope you guys learn from any of our mistakes, which is nice. If you make mistakes, so what? We're gonna learn from them. Everybody makes them. But yeah, it's so good to see these wheels on there. That right there, the sun just peeking through. But then you're reminded of all that wheel gap that's right above it. But other than that, I'm so glad they're on there. Now, I'm gonna go drive this thing around, see what it feels like. So if you guys liked the video and want to give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs up. If you got anything to say it in the comments. If you didn't like the video, make sure to dislike it and let us know what we could do or why you didn't like it. But other than that, like, comment, subscribe for more, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Trick or treat with a Glock in my jaw as I walk the motherfucking track. I'm beating these busters down if they think they finna step a crack. Baker rolling Betty, hit me with a lick, I'm booming shit. I'm frontin' other niggas coming up shouting, I'ma shoot a bitch. Hook me up in the 90 feet Cherokee, we rollin' shit. Smoking out the hay, I got the munchies, they hit Applebee's. Where them heavy niggas that I bet I got my fucking cat. I'm not just gonna eat, I'm finna lay down lemons in the street. Niggas coming clean, rolling me, I'm getting out of this shit.
Feel you got chain behind him? Yeah, I think so.
I'm getting to me, bitch. North and south, like a bitch, we're on top, black heavy niggas making same. Flip the grip on the hoes, we all about coming clean.
If you're wondering what size these tires are, if they look weird to you or anything, just look at all that stick on there. Oh, get all that off there. Rip, dude, that's what that is. Oh, hell yeah. But yeah, these are 245, 40, 8, oh, sorry. These are 245, 40, 18. So, probably gonna check the air in them. They look a little bit low. Other than that, I'm gonna go see how they ride. So, you already heard the outro.